Got a box in the mail today, and I'm excited to show you what's in it. Come check it out. So for the L8T 6.6 liter, I got me some stuff from Mast Motorsports. And in this box, oh, I got some swag. Stickers are cool. Anyway, let's see what we got here. I mean, I know what I got. I know what I got. That's why I'm happy and excited. So I got a shirt, that's cool, Bella canvas, a throttle body, this is all part of their LST controls kit. Not bad. This is what came with their kit, and it's OEM. Corvette pedal, and when I pulled this out of the box, it clicked in, which is cool. Easy mounting, so that'll work nice. The harness, fuse box. Stuff's labeled. All right, cool. So you got fuses and relays in there. Waterproof too. It's got a seal. So that's cool. This controls LT8. You're running like on a test stand basically, but the test stand is gonna be the car. Some sensors, mass airflow, map sensor, tube for the sensor and the adapter. Comes in a bag. Keeps it scratch proof, scratch free. That's cool. Got some OEM boxes here. Oh, O2 sensors, straight from GM. You know who makes them for GM? AC Delco. So I got 2 of these. And this is the transmission control harness for the 6L90. 6L80, 6L90 mechatronic harness. Mechatronic. Take a look at that. Now, the reason why I got these is because the OEM ones, look at the difference of that. But ugly, like horrible, with the humps for the baffles and all that. Race car. And I like the sheet metal construction look. It's already got the bungs for the catch can and all that good stuff. So that's the majority of the stuff for the swap from Mast. I've got some other stuff from ICT Billet. Another box here. Don't need a Sawzall blade to open this one. This one opens up real easy. Part 1 of the engine plate. That's for the transmission cooler adapter for that we can put your amps on there. And then this is for the front of the engine. You run electric water pump. So here's 2 pieces. So that's what you got going on there. There's your engine plate. Hey, look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these OEM ugly valve covers off. So let me zip these off. So if the bottom looked as good as it did in the last video, I have a really good feeling that the top of this is gonna look good too. Wow, these are on there. All my bolts are loose. There it goes. Sheesh. Look in there. Look in there. A new, man. All this stuff looks clean. There's nothing. No nasty, no sticky, nothing. I mean, just beautiful. I'm gonna take the gasket off of the OEM one. Just gotta chop off that little ear there. What I'll do is I'll find something that look like it. Just like that. Let's see what the passenger side looks like. Well, would you look at that? Just as clean. Now look at the baffle on this. Riveted. This one weighs a lot more than the other one, that's for sure. Look at those. Clean rockers. Clean trunnions. Clean springs. Clean flux capacitors. Everything clean. One thing that's cool that we notice is there's no rail here. That's like on the LS versus the LT. And you see they're offset. I'm gonna try and reuse the stock hardware. I think it'll clear. I'll get some nicer stuff later on, but I wanna get these on my nice new motor, so. Man, these look great on here. I got my provisions for my cash can stuff. Let's see, what's it say? 0 leak, -12. That's cool. Nice beefy oil cap. That looks good. Welds look good. I know these will look really nice polished up. So yeah, that's it. That's the look I wanted. Tall valve covers. Probably clear some crazy rockers. So that looks good. So those are the Mast valve covers installed. They look great on the L8T. I'm very excited. This is gonna be totally different. I mean, I'm so close. This is gonna be awesome. I have an engine plate to work with. I've got the external mounts for the AN lines so I could do my electronic water pump. Or people say electric, I say electronic, it doesn't matter. I'm showing my age. But there you go. That's it. I'm excited. We'll see you next time.